Installation method of false mold skirt expander. Keep the steel belt buckle loose. Insert the other end of the steel belt into the buckle. Snap the snap latch into the notch. When the steel belt is tightened, the buckle will get tighter and tighter. When you need to open the buckle, repeated dithering relaxation, the buckle will jump off. Put the steel belt with the universal head. Put it in the hip position of the nail mold. Button up, not too tight, don't fall off. Calculate the spacing. Buckle the universal head. Slide to a roughly appropriate position to prevent excess steel strips. Hook the skirt. Put an empty buckle here. Use the screwdriver given to you to screw. Tighten the steel belt. Fine-tune the spacing of the universal heads again, because the nail membrane is bumpy. Between the gimbal and the nail membrane, places with large gaps. Rubber pads of different thicknesses can be glued. After all installations are solid, put the skirt telescopic rod on again, and elongate the telescopic rod. Belt. The beveled foam tube is installed on the top. Medium pore size foam tube, set in the middle. The foam sleeve with the smallest aperture is at the end. Put a silicone ring on the end. Prevent foam tube from slipping. In this way, the foam tube can follow the telescopic rod. The length has been adjusted.